documentary. How was the drive into work?
Oh, it was beautiful. I only saw 5 deer.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna get you on Pimp My Ride too, right?
Okay, please.
With exhibit?
Chip, I want white with blue stripes.
White with blue stripes?
And all the high-tech shit at the bar inside.
Alright. We can do that. Let's see. What's this? Pop the hood. Well, check out what's inside.
Well, you'd have to pull the doghouse.
Well, let's do it. Well, what's something that's easily accessible that we can check out? Alright.
See, it's D, stands for dumb.
Oh, there's no Dodge there. Oh shit! What the fuck's that?
It's old and tattered.
Are those your underwear right there? That purple thing?
Yeah, something like that. Need a new bottle. I gotta find me one.
This thing looks like a hog.
She does all right.
What's its top speed?
53.
53.